Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be pranking my African parents. I'm going to be telling them that I dyed my hair purple permanently, and I start a new job, or I start a new job in a week, which you guys probably would have heard about. Excuse my mattress at the back there. Yeah, so I'm telling them I dyed my hair purple permanently. And we're going to get their reaction on camera, so that should be fun. Morning. Are you busy? Okay, I just want to show you something quickly. What do you think of it, Grandma? Yeah, I dyed my hair purple. But do you like it or do you not like it?
Well, you have to see. You can do whatever you like.
It's permanent though, you know, Grandma. It's never going back.
It will go back.
Why would you prefer it to go back?
Yes.
Yeah, I wanted to change the colour, so I just took it out so I could dye it purple this morning.
This one. This one. Okay, that is what you want.
A few minutes later.
Thank you.
So.
Well,
when a video took better.
We just wanted to see your reaction.
Yeah.
Anyway, when you wash it, it will be off.
No, it stays on.
Till when?
And like for a while, for at least like 3 to 4 months. Well, I just wanted to show you. Thank you.
See, you can do whatever you want.
Hi.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah. You look so pretty. Give me a hug.
Oh. What do you think?
Oh, you touch. Wait, is this permanent dye?
Yeah. So dramatic.
I didn't even realize.
Yeah, it's permanent. It's gonna be forever. Do you like it though?
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Thanks. What do you think Mum and Dad are gonna say?
I ain't gonna be happy.
Hi Dad. Nothing?
Yeah?
Dad, do you notice anything different about me? Yeah, I dyed it.
Well, it's not obvious in here until you told me.
Yeah.
In here, I can't see.
That's what they were saying, they couldn't see it properly.
Yeah, well, go outside.
It'll be bright, yeah.
You just decided to change your photo.
Yeah, just got bored, so thought I would do something different. Thank you. To be honest, I expected their reactions to be a lot worse, but I don't really, they just seem not to be quite bothered. I can't believe my dad said this looks nice. What? What? Hi Mom. Nowhere.
Nowhere. Impossible.
What wrong?
You are probably doing a show or you are doing work.
Yeah, usually.
I told you I know all of you in and out.
Oh, please.
In and out, I know.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
You change the way go see purple.
Yeah, I dyed my hair this morning.
That's what you wanted me.
Mom, it took you so long to notice it. Huh? It took you so long to notice it.
It didn't take me long. I noticed it video.
Oh, I dyed it. I think I'm keeping it this colour now.
Oh my younger relationship is no matter.
Do you think we won't like it? But I've already done it, Mom. It's gonna be stuck for like 3-4 months. Wow, you don't think it's appropriate?
We don't want to get to the job and you're already what type of girl. Do you understand what I mean? So when we get it for the first day, so when you now feel comfortable and you see what other people are doing, why should you right?
So guys, I did their reactions. It wasn't as like, I thought there was gonna be mad reactions. They didn't even react. They didn't even notice it, but it's so prominent. But yeah, I mean, I did it. I tried. It just didn't work out. So I shall see you guys next week Sunday. Bye.